Vaishnavi Singh. I am a student of City International School of Class 11 Humanities. Today, in this video, I will discuss about the fundamental right, in which I will explain you about the right to cultural and education right. What do you mean by cultural rights? Cultural rights are related to art and culture. Its main objective is these rights is to guarantee that people and communities have an access to culture and can participate in the culture of their election. What do you mean by education rights? The right to education means that it legally granted for all without any discrimination. States have the obligation to protect, respect and fulfill the right to education. Why do we need them? हमें इसकी ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? Because it preserves the right of any sections of citizens to conserve their cultural language or script. It is basically for the minorities groups because first of all, what do you mean by minorities? Minorities are groups which have common language, religion, and they live in a particular country. They have their own culture, language, and a script. They have the right to preserve it and develop these. As we know, democracy is the rule of the majority people, but on the other hand, minorities are also important for its successful working. The protection of language, culture or religion of minorities becomes important. As we read in class 10 that in chapter 1 that Belgium and in Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka, the peoples are fought for majorities group and their majoritarianism works. What do you mean by majoritism? In which a group of people which try to suppress the minorities groups. But in Belgium, the constitution gives equal rights to majority and minority. That is, we are studying in this also that minority communities are also get special rights, freedom, culture and education. So we can say that the right to cultural and educational right is important for them. Minorities may not feel neglected under the rule of the country. So people take pride in their own culture and language. A special right, that is cultural and educational right, is available in our constitution. Thank you.